am not a licensed dental hygienist or dentist or orthodontist, so I'm not going to recommend that that's something that you should do, but I'm telling you that that's what I did, girl. So that's what I did.
Period.
Hello, my pretties. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new or just passing through, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. I am YAZMINE Lee, the owner and founder of Pretty Privilege. Today's video is going to be about teeth. Everyone's always asking me about my teeth and how my teeth are so white and what I did to get my teeth so white and how I keep my teeth white and are my teeth fake. So these are my shiny teeth. Shiny teeth that twinkle just like the stars in space. And I want to share some tips and tricks on oral hygiene. One of the major things in association with your appearance are your teeth, guys. People look at your mouth. Your oral hygiene is so important. And even just having white teeth is such a focal point. I get so many comments on my teeth when I meet people that I don't even know, or I'm showing up at an event some kind of way, my teeth are being brought up. And I feel like good teeth, straight teeth, white teeth, all that stuff, it just looks like money. You know what I mean? And it feels good having white teeth.
Period.
So I want to share some of my tips and tricks on how my teeth look the way that they do. I want to start this by saying my teeth are not fake. No, I do not have veneers. I get that question all the time.
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
I think it's a compliment. Like, I take that as a compliment. They are my teeth, and the reason why my teeth are so straight, I'll start that, is because I had braces. That's how I got my teeth so straight. Number one, about whitening. Now we're gonna talk about whitening. The toothpaste that you are using. Use a whitening toothpaste, y'all. They tell you don't use whitening toothpaste when you have your braces. It's not gonna be good. You're gonna stain your teeth, blah, 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 blah.
The lies.
I used whitening toothpaste.
These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I can say.
I am not a licensed dental hygienist or dentist or orthodontist, so I'm not going to recommend that that's something that you should do, but I'm telling you that that's what I did, girl. So that's what I did.
Period.
And right now I'm using this CREST 3D whitening therapy with charcoal, but the whitening toothpaste that I actually used like for years and years, on and on and on, was the red tube, the 3-day like Zoom whitening tube. Red tube, y'all, whiten my teeth like you wouldn't believe.
Oh my God.
And also there's a mouthwash that comes along with it, and I use the mouthwash as well, and that was how I got my teeth to be white even while I was getting my braces. So don't be scared. I know a lot of people say that it's gonna weaken your enamel, and there's medical grade whitening toothpaste. My dentist actually, my dentist actually sells whitening toothpaste. Go to your dentist, get a whitening toothpaste, a medical grade one. Your teeth will be so white. Or you can use one like at the store. Go to HEB or Target, Walmart, wherever, and just get a whitening toothpaste, and over time it's still gonna have those same whitening effects. I've been using whitening toothpaste for years, okay? So number two, I feel like, is my toothbrush, guys.
She is the friend that everybody deserves.
Brushing your teeth like super duper good, I'm gonna recommend a vibrating bristle brush, because it's going to be able to break down whatever's on your teeth and the crevices and all that stuff. I'm gonna recommend my SONICARE toothbrush. I love this toothbrush, guys, and it comes with like retractable heads, so you don't have to like buy another system all the time. You can just like take it off and put it back on, and it's amazing. A vibrating toothbrush, or just brushing your teeth like super vigorously, like getting all up in there and doing all that stuff, is super important. I'm gonna recommend that you invest in a good toothbrush, because the toothbrush that I have, y'all, I literally just like press the, sorry y'all. I press the button and it just like buzz. And then every 30 seconds, guys, it stops. So I'll know that, okay, I'm over here and it's buzzing, and then it stops, and I'm like, okay, so now I can go to the other side. And I'm like on the other side, and then the buzzing stops. And it's like, if you just keep up with the pace of like the buzzing or wherever the pulses are stopping, then you get around your whole mouth. And I realized, like when I first started using this toothbrush, that I wasn't brushing my teeth long enough. Like I'd just be like, okay, and then that was it. So just make sure that you're brushing your teeth super duper good. And one of the best ways to do that is to get a vibrating toothbrush, a really good toothbrush. And I'm gonna recommend this Sonicare toothbrush that I love. It is pink. Make sure that you're changing your toothbrush every 3 months. Like, we don't talk, I know people don't really talk about that kind of stuff, but I'm gonna say it. Make sure you're changing your bristles, because your bristles will get weak and then they're not gonna be able to brush as effectively. You're not gonna get your teeth as clean. And if you're sick, or if you're ever sick and like you're using the toothbrush, make sure that you change the toothbrush as soon as you're done being sick, because you don't want to continue that bacteria all inside your mouth.
We don't say that, but now we said it.
So yeah, I'm gonna say that because people don't say that. So I felt like I needed to be the one to say it. Number 3 is flossing your teeth. I feel like my teeth are super duper white as well, because I like to like get in all the little tiny crevices as well. So I love this right here. It's like Oral-B Super Floss. It's like super kind of soft, and it gets in there and all that good stuff. So that's really good. I use these and even like the little picker things when I had my braces. And then when my braces got off, I have a water flosser. I don't know what brand this is or much, but you just fill it up, you put your water in there, and then you just like turn it on, and then it shoots water, and and the pick is like really like this. So you just go in between like every single tooth. And as you do that, y'all, like, you're gonna be surprised at the stuff that's like inside of your teeth.
I am disgusted.
Surprise. So get all that gunk out, because your teeth can be like super duper white and pretty and everything, but if you aren't getting in between the crevices and flossing and whatnot, you're still gonna be getting cavities and all that stuff. So that's just a little tidbit for oral health. Number 4 tip is like the best one that I have. This is my dirty little secret, the CREST White Strips, guys. And look, these are like brand new. Like, I have these literally just like lined up underneath the cabinets in the bathroom, because I love them just that much. Like, I use them. I'll have a week where I'm like obsessed, and I'll just do it every single day for that week, and then they're like super duper good. And I feel like they give you a really good like white. Like, this is crazy white. It's not normal, you know? And I literally got it from Target. The first one I'm gonna tell you to use is the 1 Hour Express. The 1 Hour Express is gonna, if this is your first time using something like this, make sure that you get this one, because it's gonna lift up like a lot of old stains. So this one is it's 14 strips, 7 strips. So this is a 7-day treatment. Do this for 7 days. After the 7 days, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I really see a difference. But your teeth are gonna get so much more white when you follow up with this. This one right here is like the regular professional whitening one. And this one has 40 strips. Ooh, look at God. And these are only like 30 minutes, I think. So that's the difference between the other one and that one. And this one, I literally just I have them in my makeup bag, guys. So sometimes I'll just put them on my teeth while I'm doing my makeup, and then take them off and brush after and do all that stuff, and it works really well. So this is my dirty little secret for how my teeth are so white. So no, I do not get my teeth professionally whitened. No, these are not veneers. These are my teeth. And how I got them so white is that there are the CREST strips. That is my biggest little disclosure that I'm going to share. I'm not gonna withhold my secrets, y'all. I'm gonna share them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And number 5, and I feel like the reason why people are gravitate always towards my mouth is because, guys, I always am wearing lipstick. I'm always wearing lipstick. I always have lipstick on, and I feel like that draws things right in my mouth, because my mouth is not like my best asset. Like, when you look at me, what you see or what people are mostly attracted to are my eyes. That's my best asset on my face. When I wear bright lipstick, bright reds, and like pinks and stuff like that, it makes your teeth look even more white. There are colors that you can wear on your lips that actually make your teeth look yellow. So be conscious of the colors that you're actually putting on your lips, because they're having an effect on how your teeth look to people. So I have some lipsticks, and my absolute, the one I have on right now is Gold Digger by Pretty Privilege, prettyprivilege.org to check them out. The best to make your teeth look super duper white is red lipstick. I'm gonna recommend Jet Set Babe or First Lady at prettyprivilege.org. So definitely check those out if you want like super duper pretty red lips. And I'm gonna insert some pictures of how white my teeth look when I have a red lip, because that's like the best kept secret to making your teeth look like super duper duper white. So yeah, those are my tips for how to get,
And
my bad. How to get like super duper duper white teeth and keep them white and maintain them. So my teeth are white now, and I still am using my strips and using whitening toothpaste and all that stuff as well. So there are some natural things that you can do as well. You can use baking soda with your toothpaste, and that'll help you whiten up. That's like a super duper cheap way to get your teeth super white as well. What else do people do? Oil pulling, I've heard, will get your teeth to be, will lift like calcium stains. Like, you know how sometimes you'll get like a little stain on your teeth as well? Like those little whites, those are calcium deposits. And you can rid the calcium deposits by oil pulling your mouth as well. So yeah, those are my tips, y'all. I'm about to head to the comments and see what's up. Let's see what's up. Hey girl, hey B. Your teeth are beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. My dentist refused to whiten my teeth because he said it makes teeth more sensitive. Have you experienced increased sensitivity with whitening products? Yeah. So like when I do the strips, sometimes I'll have like a little not sometimes. I'm saying like if I have something at the end of the month and I want my teeth to be like celebrity white, I know I'm going to be around some important people, I will do that every single day or every couple days, and it'll kind of irritate the my gum line, and then I'll just stop and I'll just wait a few days and then I'll do it again. And also I don't see my teeth as sensitive as far as like drinking cold drinks or hot drinks and stuff like that, because I know people complain about that with using whitening products as well. But if that's the case, then just kind of slow it down and take it easy. You don't I just do it the way that I do it for like that, you know, flash whitening, you know. And some people don't even want their teeth to be so like white. Your teeth look so good. Thank you, girl. I appreciate that. Thank you, D. I have that toothbrush. It's great, isn't it? Like, girl, I tell everybody about this toothbrush. Christmas gift, girl. You ain't got a good toothbrush? I will give you a toothbrush for Christmas. That's how much I love that toothbrush. That's a problem, but I love that toothbrush. Hey, yes. Hey, Adriana. Hey, pretty girl. How you doing? Says, yeah, people don't say that. Yeah, probably about like the switching out the toothbrushes. Yeah, I don't know why people don't talk about that.
We don't say that, but now we said it.
Girl, you better not be using that same brush forever and ever and ever. Swap that thing out. Crest whitening strips are bomb. Girl, they're so good. Like, don't sleep. Don't sleep. This is not a sponsored video. They're so good. Where do you get that product? What product? The last one. You talking about the water pick? Girl, I think I got this like from Walmart. Either Walmart or Amazon. I'm gonna look and see where I got it from, and I'll let you know. And excuse my nails, y'all. I don't know how to feel about them. I wanted to do something different for quarantine because, I'm going to be so down and I need some positive energy. So I was like, why not do neon pink nails? And like, I don't know how I feel about them. I don't like them, y'all. I don't like this neon pink. So I don't know. Tell me something good in the comments, please. So, yes, I just commented that. Yeah, girl. I used them back in the day and they were amazing. I need to get some ASAP. Yeah, girl. And actually they're really cheap on Amazon. Like, you get like 2 for the price of 1. There's this thing that I follow on Twitter. It's called Fat Kid Deals or something like that. And they always post like really good deals on Amazon. And they have a link for like two of the Crest 2 for 1. And that's like how I like stocked up real quick. So now I just like have them. I use one once every month or so. Yeah, girl, they're super duper good. The gadget that you filled with water. Oh yeah, the water pick. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got it from. I don't want to lie, like I don't remember, but I'm gonna ask and see where we got them from. OMG, yes, my mouth is actually my best feature. Girl, yes! Oh my gosh, D, your teeth are like, ding, ding. Like, I mean, just, oh, I love your mouth. Such pretty teeth. And you know what, guys? I really wanted to get my teeth done. Like, I was like, I need to get my teeth done. I want to get my teeth done. I want to get my teeth done. And then I was like, yes, just sit down and see what you can do, you know? And yeah. So don't be mad at me if I do get my teeth done, though, y'all. It says, can you still drink coffee? Girl, yeah. D says, drink it with a straw, straight like that. You can drink anything. Drink it with a straw so that your tea and your coffee don't stain your teeth. Thanks, hon. What 3 oils are good for oil pulling? I'm gonna say coconut oil is like number 1. There's this, oh my gosh, there's this green stuff. It's not chlorophyll. It might be active chlorophyll or serafina or spirulina. Sorry, spirulina. Like the green powder, mix that with your coconut oil, and it'll first of all, the chlorophyll or whatever the green stuff I'm talking about is gonna oxygenate your mouth and help like regenerate and get things going in your mouth. And the coconut oil is just gonna like pull all the toxins out. If you're oil pulling, please make sure that you're spitting into like a trash can or like a little cup or something. Don't put it down the drain because all the coconut oil will accumulate and then you'll have a problem. Love your energy. Greetings from Germany. Hi, Susan. Thank you. I feel the love from Germany. Coconut or olive oil, but coconut oil should help with teeth whitening. Yeah, coconut oil really helps with teeth whitening. And y'all, I'm not a dentist. I'm not a dental hygienist, but I actually reversed a small cavity with oil pulling. So this is like when I wasn't as rigorous with like my flossing and everything. I had like a little cavity and my doctor was like, we're gonna fill it. We're gonna fill it. We're gonna fill it. And I was like, F that. I don't want that stuff in my mouth, right? So I started oil pulling and I actually reversed the cavity and my dentist was like, what happened? And I was just like, oh, you know, I don't know. But I was oil pulling because people said that it could reverse cavities, and I actually did reverse or whatever, or stop the bacterial growth or whatever that was happening in my mouth. And when I went there to actually get my tooth filled, I didn't need to get it filled. So a little miracle story. I'm getting braces again. I can't wait. Oh, girl, I'm so happy for you. I'm glad you're talking about this topic. Your teeth are already beautiful. Thank you, girl. Thank you. So, yeah, I want to break it all down and talk about like little tiny things, like a long love journey. And I'm like, nobody's talking about teeth, so why not? And that's the reason why I wanted to come on and talk about teeth today. And hopefully somebody does a video like on skin and we can talk about all types of different stuff and all that. So if you like these kind of videos, let me know, like comment and tell me that you like when I do these sorts of little odd videos. And also comment down below some other stuff you think I should talk about. Like, I woke up this morning and decided I want to talk about teeth. So there might be something else you want to talk about, like different types of deodorant, or I could break down different types of concealers and different formulas and what formula works for what best skin and what to use for this. Like, there's so many things that we can talk about beauty and enhancement and energy and feminine energy and all that stuff in here. So just comment down below some stuff that you think that you want to talk about, and I'll talk about them. And I'm going to continue to go live, guys. I know I haven't gone live in a few days. It's because I've just been feeling like a little like, you know, and I didn't want to bring that to the internet. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and like and comment on my last video. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a huge giveaway. There's no reason why we shouldn't make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Like, there's no reason. So everybody needs to go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, and I'll be going live later because we're going to have a giveaway in the Pretty Privilege group. So I will meet you guys in the closet so that we can talk about the giveaway. I love you guys. I will save this video to the group once I edit it and I do all that good stuff to the video and I post it on YouTube. Then I'm going to delete the video from the group. I'm trying to transfer some traffic over to YouTube. I've told you guys this. And yeah, So that is the tea. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later on in the closet to discuss the giveaway. Have a great day.